Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do the wheel brakes on the 2018 Volkswagen Golf GTI. First we're gonna take the hammer so you can take the rust off and use a T30 Tox bait to remove the brake rotor within the screw. And we're gonna use a 17mm wrench and a 30mm to remove the brake caliper bolt. The 17 is there to hold the bolt in the back and remove, and the 30 will be used to remove the caliper bolt itself. All right, as you see, I'm removing them. I'm just holding it in place to prevent it from spinning. Now take the caliper off. Using a flat blade screwdriver, take our caliper out. Now we're gonna spray a little bit of lube right there so we can twist the caliper to compress it all the way. Those calipers, you cannot compress them. This is what I'm using. I'm gonna post the link in the comment section below to buy it, but it's pretty easy to do. What you do is okay, and twist it. I have a 22mm wrench. And we're gonna twist the caliper piston clockwise until it goes all the way down. All right. Yes, okay. Now let's remove our old brake pad. There it is. And always inspect your slider pans. Make sure they move freely. And I'm gonna re-grease them while I'm at it, okay? Now we're gonna remove the caliper bracket bolt. They are triple square, 40mm. All right, I'll put it below for those tools. There is two of them, one up here and one down there, okay, behind the knuckle. Let's take them out. I'm using my ratchet here. We're gonna break it free. There you go. There's our caliper bolt. Now we're gonna clean it. There it is. Take the rust off of it. Now we're gonna take our water off and we're gonna clean our again. You can use the wire brush for this, or we're gonna use our cookie wheel. I'm gonna use some brake clean to clean our new water, or use soap and water. Good. And let's clean it. Brake clean once again, or soap and water. Now we're gonna install our caliper bracket in there. Alright, let's finish tying this with the wedge. Alright. Good. Now we're gonna put a little bit of grease on the new pads, only on that side, okay? A little bit of grease is good. They only go in at that angle, okay? We're gonna push it. There we go. Same thing back there too. It goes at that angle. And put a bit of grease in the back of the pad just like that. Alright? And now we pretty much done. Let's install our caliper back in, and that's it, guys. As you see, I have the wrench in here and I'm tying the bolt to prevent the back stuff from spinning. And that's it, guys. That will be it. Don't forget to pump your brake pedal before test drive, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.